My name is Eric Voller. I'm the director of this machine shop. This shop's located in the Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. The work that's done in this shop is primarily for the robotics group. Many students that work and use this shop to support research in robotics. In fact, many of the machines that have been built and are used in research here have been built in this shop. Many others have been brought in for repairs in this shop. I'll take you for a quick tour around the shop, give you an idea of the capabilities we have here. Starting in the back of the shop here, we've got a standard Bridgeport milling machine. This machine's used primarily for working on parts with flat surfaces, rectangles, plates, bars, that sort of thing. Down in the front here, we have a collection of grinders, buffers, polishers, deburring machines. The grinder here is used primarily for working on very hard materials, such as high-speed steel that's used in drills or also used in cutting tools for lathes. The grinder back here is used for more precise work, primarily for sharpening cutting tools on lathes. The machine in the front has a buffing wheel here for producing very fine finishes on metal and plastic, and a deburring wheel on the other side for improving surface finishes on parts typically that have been cut off in a bandsaw. Moving over to this side of the shop, have a drill press, which is used primarily for drilling very accurate holes in parts such as this. Now over here, on the other side of the shop, we have two lathes. Lathes are used typically for making parts like this, cylindrical parts with cylindrical features. Parts such as this, shafting that has steps in it and threads, and also working on discs and rings such as this. Now right in front of you here is a bandsaw used for sawing a variety of materials, suitable for plastic, wood, metal. Almost any material can be cut on this saw. Often when you cut something on this saw, there are rough edges left on the part. A common way to deal with those rough edges is with a belt sander like this. This cut has been made on the bandsaw, and the edges of it will be a little bit sharp. Those edges can be smoothed down on a belt sander such as this, or the smaller sander over here. Although the work we do in this lab is very specialized, we focus almost exclusively on robotic work. These machines can be found in almost any prototype shop you'll see around. The courses that we teach here emphasize the qualitative nature of what we do here. So what we focus on is showing real things happening. We show metal being removed with drills, with cutting tools, with saw teeth. The rest of the work, usually involved in teaching students to become competent machinists, that is very much more quantitative, such as speeds, feeds, types of abrasive, coarseness of abrasive, we leave to the students to track down themselves by using a collection of reference books on machine shop practice. The goal of the courses that we teach here and of the video you see will be to give you a qualitative feel for what goes on in the shop.